Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn about how to align image and text side by side HTML using CSS. So first we're going to add a div tag into our body section. And in our div we can simply give the class. For the name we can simply use container. And then we will going to give the angular brackets, and into the div tag we can simply add an image tag. And for the image, we can give the source, the name of this image that we can see we added this image. So we're going to give the name, to copy this name over here like this. And then we will going to give it into the source. And then we're going to save it. And as you can see, the image is right now showing. And give the alt image to the name of example. And after into the image, we can simply add a p tag for giving some informations, and we're going to give the lorem. So as you can see, we added this text and the image, and as you can see, the image showing a little bit big. So for the we're going to go for the CSS and going to give the first name container. So for that, I'm going to give the image tag, and then we will going to give, and the width should be 130 pixel. Then we can save it, and as you can see, the image right now is very little, so we're going to give a little bit 100 pixel. We can save it, and as you can see, the image is rightly showing. And now we're going to give the margin, and the margin should be margin right to the 15 pixel. We can save it. So there is nothing changed, but if we just come over into our container only, and we can give the curly brackets, and in the curly brackets we can simply add the display, and display should be flex. We can save it, and as you can see, the text aligned into the right side. And now we can give the align items into the center. So for that, I'm going to give the align items to the center. That's it. We can save it right now. So yeah, this is how we can simply add or keep the image and add the text into the right side. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.